Did you know that over 16% of affiliate marketers make more than $5,000 a month? That's right. While many are just scratching the surface, you could be hitting those high earnings too. Today, I'm revealing proven strategies to help you join that elite group and transform your affiliate marketing game. Let's dive in and turn those dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to boost your income: affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how people are raking in thousands of dollars a month just by recommending products or services, you're in the right place. Affiliate marketing is essentially earning a commission by promoting other people's products. It's a win-win. Businesses get more sales, and you get a cut of the profits. With the right strategies, it's completely achievable to make $5,000 a month, whether you're starting from scratch or looking to scale up your efforts. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can leverage affiliate marketing to hit that $5,000 monthly goal. We'll cover the essential strategies, tools, and tips you need to succeed. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into profit and explore a proven path to financial freedom, let's get started. All right, let's talk about some of the biggest hurdles you might face when starting out in affiliate marketing. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Getting started can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. First up is choosing the right niche. This can be one of the most challenging parts of affiliate marketing. You might be tempted to pick a niche based on what seems popular or profitable, but if you don't have genuine interest or expertise, it's going to be a tough road. A well-chosen niche should ideally balance your passion with market demand. It's about finding that sweet spot where your interests align with what people are actively searching for and willing to spend money on. Next, let's talk traffic. Even if you have the perfect niche, generating traffic can be a major roadblock. You need to find effective ways to drive visitors to your affiliate offers. This involves a mix of strategies like SEO, content marketing, and leveraging social media. But here's the catch. Driving traffic isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. You want to attract the right kind of audience, people who are genuinely interested in what you're promoting and likely to convert into sales. Then, there's the challenge of building trust and authority. As an affiliate marketer, you need to establish yourself as a credible source of information. This means creating valuable, high-quality content that resonates with your audience and helps them make informed decisions. Building trust doesn't happen overnight, but it's essential for long-term success. Lastly, let's not forget about optimizing your conversion rates. Getting people to click on your affiliate links is just the beginning. You need to craft compelling calls to action, create persuasive content, and test different strategies to see what works best. But don't worry, overcoming these challenges are completely achievable with the right approach and strategies. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the proven tactics to overcome these hurdles and set yourself up for affiliate marketing success. Let's tackle these challenges head-on and turn them into opportunities for growth. All right, let's dive into the strategies that will turn those affiliate marketing dreams into a reality. I'm going to break down each step in detail so you can hit that $5,000 monthly goal with confidence. First things first, finding the right niche is crucial. A profitable niche is one where there's high demand, but relatively low competition. Start with what you're passionate about and where you have expertise. If you love tech gadgets and know a lot about them, that's a great starting point. Your genuine interest will make it easier to create engaging content and build authority. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to gauge the popularity of your niche. Look for high search volume and low competition keywords. You want a niche where people are actively searching for solutions, but where there aren't already a ton of big players dominating the market. Check out affiliate programs in your niche. Are the commissions worth your time? Programs with high payouts and recurring commissions are ideal. Look for networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, or even individual programs offered by companies. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is building an audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, your content should solve problems and provide value. Focus on creating content that addresses common questions or pain points in your niche. This not only attracts visitors, but also helps build trust. Use social media platforms to engage with your audience. Share your content, interact with followers, and join relevant groups or forums. Social media can be a powerful tool for driving traffic and building relationships. Build an email list from day one. Offer something valuable like an ebook or a free course in exchange for email addresses. Use email marketing to nurture your subscribers, offer exclusive content, and promote your affiliate products. With your audience in place, it's time to focus on marketing techniques that drive conversions. Optimize your content to rank higher in search engines. Start with keyword research to find out what your audience is searching for. Use these keywords strategically in your titles, headers, and throughout your content. Also, make sure your website is mobile-friendly and has a fast loading speed. Quality backlinks can further boost your SEO efforts. So focus on building relationships with other sites in your niche to earn those valuable links. Paid ads can give your affiliate marketing efforts a significant boost. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests. Start with a small budget and test different ads to see what works best. Look at metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates to refine your strategy. Pay-per-click or PPC campaigns can be highly effective if managed correctly. Craft compelling content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Write in-depth reviews, how-to guides, and comparison articles that genuinely help your audience make informed decisions. Use storytelling to make your content more engaging and relatable. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations. Strategically place your affiliate links where they are most likely to get clicked. Within your content, use clear calls to action and contextually relevant links. For example, if you're writing a review, include links to the products you're discussing right where you mention them. Make sure your links are easily accessible but not overwhelming. Regularly review your performance metrics to understand what's working and what isn't. Use tools like Google Analytics and affiliate dashboards to track your clicks, conversions, and revenue. Look at what content and strategies are driving the most traffic and sales, and optimize based on your findings. Split testing different approaches can also help you determine the most effective tactics. By following these strategies, you can build a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing business and work your way toward that $5,000 monthly goal. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can achieve remarkable results. Stick with me as we continue exploring more tips and tricks to help you succeed in this exciting field. All right, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. The key strategy that can supercharge your affiliate marketing earnings. Ready for it? It's all about leveraging email marketing and creating high-converting content. Let's start with email marketing. If you're not using email to boost your affiliate income, you're missing out on a goldmine. Here's why. Direct access to your audience. Unlike social media platforms where algorithms control who sees your content, email gives you direct access to your subscribers. You're not at the mercy of an algorithm. Your emails land right in their inboxes. This means you can build a relationship with your audience, keep them engaged, and drive consistent traffic to your affiliate offers. Nurture your leads. Use your email list to nurture relationships. Send valuable content that solves their problems and provides insights. Include affiliate links within this content, but make sure they're contextually relevant and helpful. For example, if you're sending a guide on home office setups, you can include links to office chairs or lighting products you recommend. Automate your campaigns. Set up automated email sequences to save time and ensure consistent communication. Welcome emails, follow-up sequences, and promotional campaigns can all be automated. This not only streamlines your efforts, but also keeps your audience engaged without you having to manually send each email. Now let's talk about creating high-converting content. This is where the magic happens. Understand your audience. Know what your audience is searching for and what problems they need solving. Tailor your content to address these needs. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Answer the Public to find out what questions people are asking in your niche. Craft compelling calls to action, or CTAs. A strong CTA can make or break your conversion rates. Be clear and specific about what you want your audience to do next. Instead of a generic, "click here," use phrases like "discover the top 5 tools for productivity" or "get your free guide now." Make your CTAs stand out visually and position them where they're easily seen. Use persuasive copy. Your content should be persuasive without being pushy. Highlight the benefits of the product or service, not just the features. Show how it can solve a problem or improve their life. Real-life testimonials, case studies, and comparisons can add credibility and make your content more convincing. Optimize for conversions. Continuously test and optimize your content. Use A/B testing to see which headlines, CTAs, and layouts perform best. Look at your analytics to understand what's driving conversions and what needs tweaking. Even small changes can lead to significant improvements in your conversion rates. By focusing on these two powerful strategies, leveraging email marketing and creating high-converting content, you'll be well on your way to boosting your affiliate marketing earnings. These tactics are game changers and can significantly increase your chances of hitting that $5,000 monthly goal. All right, here's a quick recap of the key strategies that can help you make $5,000 monthly with affiliate marketing. Find a niche that combines your passion with high demand and low competition. Use market research tools to identify where you can make the most impact and earn the highest commissions. Create valuable content, engage with your audience on social media, and build an email list. Your audience is your greatest asset, so focus on providing them with valuable information and solutions. Optimize your content for SEO. Use paid ads wisely, craft compelling content with persuasive CTAs, and regularly analyze and optimize your strategies to maximize your results. Use email marketing to directly reach and nurture your audience, and create content that's designed to convert by addressing your audience's needs and using persuasive copy and effective CTAs. Affiliate marketing has the potential to be a significant income stream, and by applying these strategies, you're well on your way to achieving that $5,000 monthly goal. Remember, it's all about persistence, continuous learning, and optimizing your efforts. And speaking of learning, if you're excited about scaling your online income even further, I've got something special for you. We're diving into YouTube automation in our new playlist, starting with Video 1, Introduction to YouTube Automation. Discover how you can automate your YouTube channel, scale your content creation, and maximize your revenue. Click here to watch the first video and start your journey towards effortless income growth. Let's make those digital dreams a reality together. See you in the next video.